Hello everyone, as you are aware, there are changes that is going to come up in the CBT, the computer based test of NMC UK, and that too in August 2021. So in this particular video, we are going to deal in detail what are the changes that is going to come and what type of questions you can expect in this computer based test. The new change that they are going to bring up is that they are going to divide the exam into two parts, the part A and the part B. You will have total of 3 hours to write the exam. In this video, we will be dealing with the nursing part and particularly the adult nursing. Now in adult nursing, they have two parts, the part A as well as the part B. Now the part A has numeracy. In numeracy, they are going to have calculation questions. These are applied questions from your daily life which you are practicing in the hospital. You have 15 sets of calculation questions. You will have to check each of them, find out the answer and fill in the blanks that is given. You have 30 minutes for the calculations. So you have 2 minutes for each of the questions. The type of questions that you can expect, the first one is injections. As you see in the picture, they have asked you to find out what is the volume that can be drawn up in the syringe. You will have to mention according to the unit as well as the decimal place is important here. So this is what they are particularly looking for. In this syringe, it is already filled, so it is 2.1 ml. So 0.1, only one decimal, do not add any extra 0 to that. So this is one type of question. Now the next one is measuring the correct dose. So in this cup, as you can see, they have filled a liquid form of the medication. So what is the volume that has been dispensed? So again you have to check how many ml is it. So it is correctly shown in the picture, it is 10 ml. So this is what you will have to write according to the correct unit. So measuring as well as mentioning the correct unit is what they are going to check. In this question they have mentioned a patient is prescribed digoxin and that too they are giving 0.2 mg of digoxin. So you will have to convert this into micrograms. So again it is important that you need to know the conversions. The conversion from gram to milligram, milligram to microgram, you should be really thorough with the conversions. Another question that might come up is related to the IV infusion, where you will need to tell what is the rate of infusion the pump should run, as you see in this example. So where you will have to particularly mention how many ml per hour the infusion pump has to be set. The next thing that you can expect is a fluid balance chart maintenance, where you will have to calculate the total intake, total output and the balance whether it is maintained or not. So these are the questions that you can expect in a numeracy part, the calculations. So they might ask you related to the infusions, they might ask related to the oral medications, the metric units, the measurement accuracy, the fluid balance. So these are the questions that you can expect specifically in the calculations. We will be coming up with more examples of calculations which you can expect in a CBT exam. Now coming on to the part B, which is a clinical part. In adult nursing, you can expect specifically questions related to the adult care, and here you will have 100 questions and you have 2.5 hours to answer each of the question. Now here you will have a multiple choice question with a single question, 4 options, and you will have to click the correct answer. And they are going to address a full range of Bloom's taxonomy. So remember, understand, analyze, apply, evaluate. So these are the application questions that you can expect in the clinical part. So the 7 platforms that will be covered in this clinical question types are: the first one is being an accountable professional. So you need to learn the European legislature, the code and ethics. The second one is promoting health and preventing ill health. The third one is assessing needs and planning care. Fourth one is providing and evaluating care. Fifth one is leading and managing nursing care and working in team. Sixth is improving safety and quality of care. Seventh is coordinating of care. So again, for these we will be giving examples and we will see how the questions can come up. So in this example, as you can see, patients who are put on furosemide are warned of which common side effect? Choose the correct answer. You have the options: polyuria, oliguria, diarrhea and constipation. As you know, furosemide is a diuretic. So you know that you will have to watch for polyuria. So the second example is: a wheeze is commonly heard on auscultation in which of the following conditions? Choose the correct answer. Is it acute asthma, pulmonary edema, pneumothorax or pleural effusion? So as you know, the correct answer is acute asthma. So you will have to have a thorough knowledge of the topic or disease conditions to answer these type of questions. So you should have a proper idea of European legislation, the end of life care, procedures like blood transfusion and disease conditions that is particularly dealt in the medical surgical part. Understand and recognize the early deteriorating symptoms that you see in an elderly adult, the elderly care, the dementia care, the national early warning score, and you will have to understand how you will be able to understand signs and symptoms of suicidal attempt. So you will have to pass both in part A as well as part B to get a successful completion of the computer based test. And when you write it for the first time, you will have to write both the part A as well as the part B. So in part B, you should have a thorough knowledge of the medical surgical part. So cover the 7 platforms that we have mentioned in this particular video. Have a thorough knowledge about the question types. We will be coming with more examples of the question in our next video session. So yes, thank you and all the best.
Medcity International Academy. Trusted hands forever.